Okay, boys and girls, today we are unboxing the Sony A6400. If you're wondering if I'm doing this on the floor, yes, I am doing it on the floor. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. We got some papers here. We don't need these at all. You know, I'm sure there's something important here that I could use, but not right now. It's not what I wanna look at. It's not what's interesting me. We got a, what is this, a wall adapter? USB wall adapter. Got a strap here. A Sony strap, much thinner than ones I usually see. Looks like it has some padding on it. It's just a micro USB to USB here. Yeah, it looks like a micro USB. We got Z battery. Got an eyepiece for the viewfinder. And last but not least, the meat and the potatoes. There we go. Jeez. Wow, it's pretty solid. For how small it is, it feels pretty freaking solid. Wow. That feels nice. It's a very good weight, very small. Oh my god, I already got fingerprints on it. I'm upset already. Let's put the battery in. Okay, hopefully it's charged. Maybe not. I don't even think it's charged. Alright, it's not charged. I'll be back.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, Grease!
It looks
oh, it's
sick.
so nice.
I don't have to worry about focusing because it'll do it itself? That's crazy.
Welcome back to Luke's Vlogs, guys.
I don't know where the microphone is.
Look, it even, look. Doesn't go too loud or nothing.
Oh, it shows you the audio? Hey guys, first vlog on the new camera. How's it looking? Is it looking good?
Yeah, it's looking amazing.
Is it nice and crisp?
Extremely crisp.
Crispy? You like my camera?
Oh my god, Lucas, I thought it was a big one. Oh. That's the camera.
Looks nice, no?
No, you can't get me from behind.
Beautiful.
But I thought it was a big one for some reason.
Why?
I don't know.
Brayden, look.
New camera, wow.
What's the video and everything?
You want to take a picture?
No, I want to take a picture.
Is it video now, right now?
Yes, video.
Stop.
Yeah.
So what's so special about this one? Just different?
Can do everything I need it to.
More than the other?
Yeah.
Didn't even autofocus.
You're kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other one it can't focus.
You're telling me right now it's not getting blurry?
Get out
It's focusing on him.
Really?
of here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.